shit! You guys have seen that one, Greg.
I did.
Oh man.
Holy shit, son.
Can't we see that? Crazy, guys.
They have like the best view though.
Yeah.
You see everything. Oh my god, that was right over us.
Yeah.
Whoa. You got that, didn't you?
Fucking shit's crazy. It's like serious life or something.
Like, yo, that one that came right down there was so close, bro. I passed right up into the chair.
Yeah.
That freaked
That
me
was,
out.
you don't know coming close to
What?
us, believe me.
Yeah.
It's like right over top of us, man.
Yeah. Like right there and like right there. And like
Whoa!
that,
Right there, you see the
there.
fucking building.
Woo.
Now
Here it comes.
I'm getting a little scared, man. Getting a little scared. That's getting close.
It's not stopping. Bro.
I know it's not even close to
way
stopping,
stronger,
man.
bud.
Holy
We
shit!
haven't seen shit yet.
Oh my
Holy
god!
fuck.
It's like lightning galore everywhere, yo.
Holy
I'm
shit!
getting the chills and shit.
So am I.
I'm fucking scared shitless.
I'm getting the chills too, bro. I'm getting the shivers and shit.
Like, if I see a big fucking thing coming our way, I'm running.
Whoa.
I'm praying right now.
Whoa,
Whoa.
Holy bud.
Insane in the membrane. Insane in the brain.
I don't know where to look. Fuck.
We're just scanning this whole section right here.
Oh, I was sideways.
Yeah, it was sideways.
Everything just keeps blinking.
Everywhere, man.
If you were an epileptic, start having a
Whoa.
fucking seizure and shit.
Holy shit! Boom, 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 boom,
Imagine you have a
boom.
seizure and you get
We're getting
struck
this
by lightning.
we're like in the middle of the serious parts, man. Because now it's moving on top of us. Look, it's just going bang, buddy. It's getting brighter and brighter. I'm not moving, man.
We can see Toronto again.
Kinda, you can't see the tower still.
Holy shit! Holy fuck! Yeah, it's coming right over top of us now.
It's gonna be gone soon.
No, it's not.
No, it's gonna get
It's
intense.
fucking. Whoa!
That's Lakeshore.
That's not. It's right there, man. Look. Ba-boom, ba-bam, boom, boom. Holy shit! Right in the middle of it. Watch out! Watch out! Watch out! Lisa, we're right in the middle of this right now. It's coming like crazy. Look at this!
Holy
fuck.
fuck.
Oh, I got all that.
Ah, it's all over us right now. It's just coming right on top of us. It just won't stop blinking. No, look, boom, again. It's insane. It's awesome. Are you recording it?
Holy fuck.
Yeah, it's insane.
What the?
Holy! There's like a Y in the sky all over there. It's all over us right here. Come closer. I'm gonna get hit by lightning.
I wonder if that's still happening in Toronto. It's gotta be.
They
Yeah.
can see it
Oh,
right
yeah.
here. They can see it from Toronto.
No, it's probably happening there too.
Imagine me on that fucking sky, CN Tower walk thing right now.
Edge walk.
You're like stuck out there, but you close the window like your buddy, you're fucked.
Yeah, it's still happening in Toronto.
See, it's just moving thing on top of it. We're starting to see the tail end of them. Look how bright it's getting and how flashy it is. It's coming. It's insane.
Watch. Shit. I wonder if it's gonna get worse.
It feels like it's getting worse. It's going crazy, man. It's fucking insane.
Yeah, here comes the rain. Again. It's starting to pick up.
Hardcore.
It's not gonna come here. Tornado.
Why not? Tornadoes are here and lightning storms.
We're not gonna get tornadoes. That's in the States, though.
Holy shit.
No, we're under a
We are?
Yes,
Yeah?
you are.
Yeah, I didn't know he was telling you that book for hours.
Watching it the whole time.
I'm running down the stairs as I fucking can. If I see that bitch down there, somewhere over there,
I'm watching. I'll stay here and watch it because
you're gonna die.
Whoa! Shit!
That was fucking close, man.
Holy fuck.